Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this very nice system of equation. X cube plus y cube is equal to 4914. X plus y is equal to 18 and we are interested to find x and y. Let's come to the solution. From an algebraic identity, we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b squared. So now this equation will become as x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. This is equal to 4914. Now x plus y is given that x plus y is equal to 18. So we will write 18 in the place of x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. This is equal to 4914. Now dividing both sides by 18. So x squared, this 18 will cancel with this. X squared plus y squared minus xy is equal to 4914 divided by 18 gives us 273. So now we have the equation x square plus y square minus xy is equal to 273. Now from an algebraic identity, we know that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. If we move 2ab from right hand side to left hand side, then a plus b whole squared, it will become negative 2ab. This is equal to a square plus b squared. Here in the place of ab, we have x and y. So we will put x square plus y square as x plus y whole squared minus 2xy, and minus xy as it is equal to 273. Now we have x plus y is equal to 18. So by using 18 squared minus 2xy minus xy gives us minus 3xy is equal to 273. Now 18 squared, which is 324 minus 3xy, this is equal to 273. Now move this 324 from left hand side to right hand side, then minus 3xy is equal to 273 and it will become negative 324. So now minus 3xy is equal to 273 minus 324. So 51 will be left with negative sign. So now dividing both sides by minus 3. This minus 3 will cancel with this minus 3, and here xy is equal to this negative sign with cancel with this, and 3 multiplied by 17 gives us 51. So xy is equal to 17. Now we have x plus y is equal to 18 and xy is equal to 17. X plus y is equal to 18. We can find the value of y as y is equal to 18. We move x from left hand side to right hand side, it will become negative. So y is equal to 18 minus x. By using this value in this equation, in place of y, x into y is 18 minus y, 18 minus x. This is equal to 17. So multiplying this, 18x minus x multiplied by x squared is equal to 17. Move all the terms from left hand side to right hand side. This will become positive x squared and negative 18x plus 17 is equal to here. Now this is 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve this by using factorization or completing square method or by quadratic formula. So here we will use factorization. If we multiply 17 into 1, we get 17. So we have two numbers, their product is 17 and their sum or difference is 18. So x square negative 18x, we can write this as negative x negative 17x. Negative 17x and negative x gives us negative 18x plus 17 as it is equal to 0. Now we take common. From first two terms we get x, and here inside the bracket x minus this is common and here 1. From this we get negative 17 is taken as common and inside the bracket x negative, here positive, negative, minus into minus gives us plus. So 17 we have taken to common and inside the bracket there will be 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the common factor x minus 1 and the second factor will be x minus 17. This is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule we get x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 17 is equal to 0. So from this we get x is equal to 1 and from this we get x is equal to 17. Now we will find what is the value of y. Recall that y is equal to 18 minus x. So y is equal to 18 minus, when x is 1 then y is equal to 18 minus 1 which is 17. And when y is equal to 18 minus when x is 17 then the value of y is 1. So we have two pairs. When x is equal to 1 y is equal to 17 and the second pair is when x is 17 y is equal to 1. X and y are 1 and 17 and in this pair x is 17 and y is 1. So we can say that x and y are symmetric. Thank you for watching.